Hey guys, Will Kemp here with Lightspeed Construction. I'm here in Knoxville, Tennessee, and we are currently working on a roof that had some old slat boards that needed replaced. I just want to show you guys kind of what it looks like when we're coming through and replacing some of these slat boards with too big a gap or cracked or just beginning to fail in some way. And so here's a quick glance at what that looks like on an old house, guys. Here we have a patched area. This had a couple of big knots in it, just needed some love. We got some more patching over here, and as you can see, these are slat boards. This is quite an old house, probably around 1920. So the practice then was to slap the boards on, and they were all different sizes and shapes, so this took a little bit of work, guys. Quick glance at what it should look like as we start to apply these boards. And a lot of these had to be renailed. A lot of these older boards had to be renailed, but everything's coming together nicely. So good to see you guys, and thanks again. Lightspeed Construction, Knoxville, Tennessee.